Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable or disable gesture control on DJI Osmo 360. To do it, slide down from the top of your screen. Then find gesture control, click on it and enable it. Now you can set it to take photo / start recording only or start and stop recording. So in this second mode you can stop recording with the gesture. In the first one you can only take a photo or start recording, but you cannot stop the recording. Now if you want to start recording or take the photo or stop recording, if that's also enabled, just raise your palm like that, and now it has started recording. Now if I want to stop, I can also raise my palm and you can see it has stopped. If I switch it to photo, then I can also take a photo like that. It'll start a countdown from 3, so it makes sense you don't have your raised palm in the photo. And that will be about it for the video. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.